welcome to each and every one of you present virtually.
Distinguished principal, respected staff, supportive parents, and my dear fellow friends.
Welcome back to Shalini Convent School.
Virtual reopening program for the academic year 2021-22.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity as it fades away all the pain and darkness. Similarly, blessings bring happiness and prosperity in our life.
So, to solemnize this special occasion and invoke God's blessings by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom for seeking His choicest blessings.
I would like to entreat our Honorable Manager, Reverend Sister Matty, our Principal, Reverend Sister Jwala, accompanied by Sir Prashant, Miss Priya, and Miss Tabasum.
ज्योति जला तू ज्योति जला तू मन में मेरे तेरे पावन वचनों से मन का दीपक बुझ ना पाए रोशन कर दे जीवन में
ज्योति जला तू मन में मेरे तेरे पावन वचनों से मन का दीपक बुझ ना पाए रोशन कर दे जीवन ये
Prayer is the means through which we can go closer to the Almighty and have an interaction with Him. And dance is one of the way which makes our journey fast and smooth.
So, let's start the virtual reopening program with a prayer accompanied by a dance performance by the Shalanites.
करुणा सागर हे प्रभु जय, दया के स्वामी ईश की जय। ईश प्रभु है करुणा सागर, स्वामी मेरे मन में बसा।
हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे।
जगमगाएंगे जग में जितने अंधेरे भी हैं।
हम मिटाएंगे जग में।
This line indicates that the book is a symbol of wisdom and knowledge.
Today, we pray for all our students that they may grow in wisdom and knowledge, and may God give them the power of perseverance, determination, confidence.
And by dint of their hard work and tireless efforts, they may achieve greater heights and become successful in life. So, let's invite few blooming stars on the stage to soothe our ears and minds.
हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे जग में। हम दीप शिक्षा के हैं, जगमगाएंगे जग में। जितने अंधेरे भी हैं, हम मिटाएंगे जग में। ओ शिक्षा गिरेंगे सारे उजाले, हर दिशा में तुम जाने वाले। तुम ही होगे जग को संभाले, तैयारी इसकी करो। हम आज की बेटियां हैं, हम आज की बेटे सारे हम आज की बेटियां हैं, हम आज के बेटे सारे पर वक्त बिना रोक पाए। हम हैं वो मजबूत धागे, कठिनाइयों में भी होंगे पूरे राहें हमारे। सबके लिए हो जो सुख जो खुशी, हम बुलाएंगे जग में।
One child, one teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world.
This inspiring quote by Malala Yousafzai appraised the prominence of education.
You have motivated people by being a living example, by sharing your knowledge.
I am sure many women will also be motivated.
So, let's
Let's
welcome
welcome
the
the
dazzling
dazzling
Sharanites to enrich young minds by their fascinating performance.
One teacher, one book, and one pen can change the world. Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. But things did not remain the same. Women were flogged, people were killed, and our beautiful dreams turned into nightmares. Education went from being a right to being a crime. When my world suddenly changed, my priorities changed too. I had two options. One was to remain silent and wait to be killed. And the second was to speak up and then be killed. I chose the second one. The terrorists tried to stop us. But neither their ideas nor their bullets could win. We survived. And since that day, our voices have grown louder and louder. Why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating wars but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it that giving guns is so easy but giving books is so hard? I'm very happy that we are together fighting for an important cause. This award is not just for me, it is for those forgotten children who want education. It is for those frightened children who want peace. It is not time to pity them. It is time to take action. So it becomes the last time that we see a child deprived of education. Not just the politicians and the world leaders. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. Let us become the first generation that decides to be the last, that sees empty classrooms, lost childhoods, and wasted potentials. Let this be the last time that a girl or a boy spends their childhood in a factory. Let this be the last time that a girl is forced into early child marriage. Let this end with us. Let's begin this ending together, today, right here, right now.
We now request our Honorable Principal to address the viewers and give her valuable inputs to our children who are aspiring to be the better future of India.
Education kindles life. A very glorious good evening to all my dear Sharanites and distinguished viewers. With the immense blessings of the Supreme and wholehearted cooperation and support of all the stakeholders of Sharanity Fraternity, we have successfully completed another fruitful academic year 2021. Amidst this difficult and trying time of global pandemic, I express my sincere gratitude to all the stakeholders for their trust and support in all our endeavors to keep the light of learning ever burning. May God continue to bless each one of us and guide us in our journey of another academic year 21-22. The present situation has compelled us to take to e-learning till the situation become normal. In the present scenario, I would like to present before you a situation in which two students of our school were given cycles, one with brake and another without. Both the students were asked to start riding their cycle from Boydadar to Raigad railway station. Now, my question is, who would reach the station earlier? I presume the one with brake. Now, applying this situation in the life of a student, let us reflect who plays the role of brake in the life of the student. Yes, it is the parents, elders, and teachers who helps the child to keep him or her on the right track and to reach the destination without hurdles. So, we need to trust them, our parents, elders, and teachers in our journey of education. Please remember, the smallest step in the right direction ends up being the biggest step in your life and ultimately reaching your destination. My dear loving students, you have the power, you have the choice to make the coming school year ahead a memorable and worth living. Now, I would like to wrap up my words by quoting the great Western philosopher John Dewey. He says, education is not preparation for life. Education is life itself. I wish you all the very blessings of God the year ahead. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, dear sister. Now, it's time to have a browse through the year-round performance and activities carried out by the school during this pandemic to boost up the students and carry on with the education unhindered.
Since the pandemic is not over yet, we still are facing a challenging situation. Our institution has yet a lot to achieve through the students, for which some strategies are to be followed. So, here I call upon Sir Mukesh to highlight on the same.
Dear Shalanites and viewers, it takes immense pleasure to present you the annual report of the academic year 2020-21, a year that passed with a tremendous achievements for the school. First and foremost, we are gratefully thankful to the omnipotent God for his abundant blessings, even during the havoc pandemic, enabling us to carry on with the mammoth task of imparting education to the children. Shalini Convent School, affiliated to CBSE board, managed by the Sisters of CTC, hovered by the Spirit of Lord, chiseled and shaped over the years, the school continues to stand precious in the eyes of society. The 2021 annual report exhibits the molding of students right from the beginning and inculcating a sense of good character, compassion, and competence. Excellence in academics is a hallmark of a good institution. In the academic year 1920, the students made us proud by scoring 97% in class 12th and 100% in 10th board exam. Highest score is 95.4% by Rajdeep Tuteja and Astha Pradhan with 96.2 from class 10th. On 26 June 2020, the school observed its 18th Foundation Day virtually by remembering each and every person who has rendered their selfless service in the foundation of the school. On 6th of September, the school honored the office bearers and the prefectorial board members who pledged to bestow their duties to the best of their abilities. This ceremony was virtually coordinated by the housemaster, Mr. Tarun Kumar Tiwari. Digital learning and virtual parent-teacher interaction became a helping hand for fighting with the challenges of COVID-19. To cope up with the pandemic, the mentors shifted their physical classrooms to virtual and digital windows, which not only widened the scope of teaching learning process but also made them more creative and independent. Cooperation of parents was another support in this vocation, which bridged the gap and strengthened the relationship of a parent and teacher. The school had also conducted co-curricular activities, competitions and events from digital platform, which was a new venture that made events more exciting and thrilling, and it's widened the scope of creativity and competence. Let's browse through the display board and have a look of the activities that the children have taken part during the different time of the year. Special programs on the occasion of World Environment Day and International Yoga Day was also organized, which gained huge support from parents and students. To keep up with the newest pedagogy of learning teaching process, our teachers continued to shun themselves through various trainings, workshops and webinars which were conducted by CBSE and other competent agencies. COVID-19 and lockdown make various communities suffer and made their conditions vulnerable. The Shalini school management and staff expressed solidarity and benevolence by raising and donating sum of rupees 51,000 to Chief Minister's Relief Fund and a sum of rupees 61,000 to the ailing people. This prestigious institution has also exhibited charity for the sake of inmates and by the neglect class of the society by giving them gifts and accessories in collaboration with the other institutions. It has also conducted various activities and competitions to boost up their mental strength. Releasing of the convicts by recompensing their fines was also another humanitarian act. India's most awaited COVID-19 dry run was conducted in the school premises under the supervision of District Collector and the Chief Health Inspector. General Proficiency and 10% Attendance Award were distributed to the students on 26 January to honor their potentials and sincerity by Reverend Sister Jwala, the principal of the institution. To encourage the students, the school has also introduced Honesty Award this year, which was awarded to Chirantan Dev Sharma of class 12th B. As a new venture, the school extended its another stream of humanities, which will provide new scope for the students in future. With the resolution to continue serving the society by providing holistic education and all-round development, we come to an end of this presentation and hope for a bright and better future for the scholars. Thank you.
Reaching towards the end of our program, we would like to invite our coordinator, Ms. Priyanka Seth,
to present the words of gratitude.
A very pleasant evening to one and all. Respected Manager, Reverend Sister Matty, Principal, Reverend Sister Jwala, dear teachers and my loving audience. It's my immense pleasure to propose vote of thanks and acknowledgement toward the contribution of each one of you. First and foremost, all thanks to the Almighty for all His showers of blessings. Now, I extend my heartiest thanks to our principal, Reverend Sister Jwala, and teacher who shaped this idea and motivated for the successful conduction of this event. Special thanks to all the technicians for making this a possible achievement. Thanks a lot to all of them. I also express my profound gratefulness to all the teachers, students, and everyone else for helping directly or indirectly for the great success of this event. Thank you so much.
We thank each and everyone for being a part of our virtual reopening program, and we wish that everyone will overcome the barrier of this pandemic. Hope we have a great year ahead.